In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect a sheet or range in Google Sheets. If you've ever locked yourself out of your own cells or need to let a teammate make edits to a specific area, this walkthrough will help you quickly find the protection settings and remove or adjust them with confidence. In Google Sheets, protections are there to prevent accidental edits, but they can get in the way when plans change. Instead of right-clicking a cell, head up to the top menu and open the Data menu. From there, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. That's the key spot. As soon as you click it, a sidebar appears on the right side of your screen. This panel lists every protection that currently exists in your spreadsheet, whether it's a whole sheet or just a specific range of cells. Take a moment to scan the list. Protections often have names or notes, which can help you identify the one you need. Click the protection you want to remove to open its details. Inside, you'll see a trash can icon. That's your Remove button. Click the trash can, and Google Sheets will ask you to confirm. Confirm the removal, and the protection disappears. Instantly, those cells become editable again for everyone who has access to the file. If it was a sheet-level protection, the entire sheet is now open to edits. If it was a range protection, only that range is unlocked. If you don't want to delete the protection entirely, there's a smarter option. Click Change Permissions instead. This lets you keep the lock in place for most people while granting edit access to specific teammates. It's perfect for situations where a small group needs to update a section without opening it up to all collaborators. You can add individuals who should have permission, and everyone else will still be restricted as before. A few quick tips as you work. You'll need to be an editor or the owner to change or remove protections. If you don't see the remove option, reach out to the file owner. Consider leaving clear notes or naming protections so they're easy to identify later. And after making changes, it's always good practice to let your team know what's now editable to avoid conflicting edits. That's all there is to it. Open the Data menu, go to Protect Sheets and Ranges, select the lock you want, and either remove it or adjust permissions. With these steps, you can manage access cleanly and keep your spreadsheet both secure and flexible.